What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on long-term Cardano analysis. So if you are interested about the exact price that I think Cardano is gonna hit this and the upcoming year, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. If you saw some of my previous Cardano analysis, you know that in those previous videos I mentioned this bearish order block on a weekly time frame. This order block is between levels 1.241 and 1.119. And in case of a breakout and then support confirmation, I am preparing here to open a long trade. Entry will be above this bearish order block after support confirmation, and stop loss in this case you should place at the least under this bearish order block. So like the minimum stop loss that you can have here is slightly under 13% of a net market. The exact last take profit targets you can place above this bearish order block, because there, in my opinion, there is pretty high probability that in the next year we are gonna break this bearish order block, which is ending on the level like 3.10. So this trade can give you potential risk to reward up to 11.56, but of course this is the bare minimum trade, because if you want you can have here a much safer stop loss, for example like 20% of a net market, and also you can place the last take profit target on the exact level that you think Cardano is gonna hit. So you can place it like under $5 mark, which I also think there is pretty high probability that we are gonna hit this level in the upcoming year, or you can place it on higher levels. But if you want to have here, let's say, some good potential last take profit target, and really let's say risky, because yeah, like 13% stop loss on a weekly time frame is risky, then the exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So the risk reward ratio will be like 23.37. As I said, above this bearish order block, it will be slightly above 11. And in those cases, you also want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under these previous highs, this let's say bigger price action, so around the level like $2, yeah, something under $2 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance, then level like 2.4, then some of the profits you can take under this bearish order block and above. So we already have here a multiple take profit targets, and if you want and you want to speculate on even higher like last take profit target, then rest of the profits you can take, for example, on like $4 and then a $5 mark. But definitely do not leave more than, for example, 20% of the entire trade above this bearish order block, because like to this bearish order block it's still really good risk reward ratio. From the current all-time high, this coin is still down for about like 65% of a net market. So if we are gonna break this resistance and there will be a support confirmation, this can be, in my opinion, actually really good buying opportunity, and in the long time perspective this coin is still undervalued, because if we are gonna take a look on the rest of the altcoins in the top 10 market cap, these coins are usually near to its all-time highs, but Cardano still really undervalued, and in my opinion there is actually pretty high probability that in the upcoming bull market next year we are gonna break this high. So yeah, it's only up to you if you will decide to open here any of your trading positions. Definitely let me know in the comments what is the exact price that you think Cardano is gonna hit, so we can discuss it in the comments. But me personally, I am watching here in the long time perspective mainly the setup that I showed you in today's video. In case that there won't be a support confirmation and there will be another drop, then perhaps another interesting area that you can watch is this previous high on a weekly time frame. So the level approximately 0.7338. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So you want to buy here just a retest, because in case of this resistance confirmation, I'm not expecting that we are gonna go much lower, but in this case we don't have here any good area where we can place our stop loss. So In this case, it's like definitely up to you and up the risk reward ratio that you want to have, because if you will speculate with the last take profit target, it still will be a pump around like 3200%. So for risk reward ratio 10, you can actually have here like stop loss around 30% of a net market. And if you will trade it on spot without leverage, then yeah, this can be simply another amazing trade. And if you will trade it with leverage, then use cross margin for a higher leverage like this. And if you want to have here a smaller leverage, then you can use isolated margin. You probably know how this works. So yeah, in case of a small dump, this can be another setup that you can watch. If you want to know the exact trades that I'm doing, or if you simply want to copy my analysis, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah guys, if you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos, I also will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.